দুজন এখন আপনাদের সামনে
ইংরেজিতে কনভারসেশন করব। আসসালামু আলাইকুম, গুড মর্নিং মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ড।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম, গুড মর্নিং মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ড।
হাউ আর ইউ?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What class are you in?
I am in class 3, and you?
I am also in class 3.
Where are you from?
I am from Madhukaratar, and you?
I am from Tamargao.
What's your father?
My father is a businessman, and you?
My father is also businessman. What's your mother?
My mother is a housewife, and you?
My mother is also housewife.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See you again.